everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change networks on MyEtherWallet application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive ahead into the video. Open up your MyEtherWallet application from your app drawer. Type in your passcode or your PIN code and log into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage, click on the little drop-down at the top left-hand corner. Once you access to the network drop-down, choose the network you want to switch to from the available ones. Once you tap on it, you will be able to select a different network. Follow any additional prompts or instructions to confirm the change if prompted, and you will be able to complete the switch. So that is how you can easily change networks on MyEtherWallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.